Wait now. I have told Emeka to go to the other shop at the Alaba. Let him take it and give it to Chidi. Chidi will deliver it then. Okay, bye. Lady and gentle boys, I am your new landlord. So before I will introduce myself, I would love to meet you people.
Oga landlord, no be meet you, they meet also. Musa, to meet us means to introduce ourselves.
Oga landlord, if you talk now, my name be Musa, aka Suya Lord. Add your room number. Room 2. My name is Egodi. Room number 5. Oh, you are the room number 5 that was playing music very loud the other day. I was knocking, you don't want to open.
Sorry, sir, I didn't hear you. My name is Pablo, room 1. My name is Chooks. My room number is number 3.
My name is...
Cholu. We have a new tenant in this compound. Her name is... introduce yourself now.
My name is Natasha, but you can call me NK.
Somebody save me.
NK for the word.
Pepper them, baby.
Thank you.
My spec.
Who be your spec dey your face like that? It means say she's my color. I mean she meet up to the standard of girls that I like. You understand now? My kind of vibe.
You say if you be bad boy, you.
Well, now you get it.
Yeah. Hot girl. Which room number? Oh?
Room number.
Hey. What are you doing with a room number?
Sir, you just said we should all call our room numbers. So that was why I was asking her for
Don't worry. She will be exempted for this once. Before you go and get someone's daughter pregnant. As the children are not in this compound, you don't like it.
You get it?
And as for you, why are you turning yourself like a python like that?
This new landlord to one spoil person show.
Is that the name your father gave you?
No, sir.
What is your name, my friend?
My name is Oluchi.
Better. It is nice, very nice to meet you people. They call me Mazi. I have a plenty shop everywhere. I have one at Alaba. I have one at Ikorodu. I also have one at Ikeja.
This man get pride though.
I have one too in Ghana. And I'm opening one close to the roundabout. What is it called again?
It's called Be Fast, sir. Sir, please hasten up, sir. Please, I have a class and there is some.
Sonny Bobo, see wahala. Don't interrupt me again in your life. Now, as your new landlord, I have come to give you the new rules of this compound. Rule number 1. Rule number 1. Anybody that want to come and visit you, they should stay outside the compound.
That's what I do for you.
Here is not a club or a market. So they should stay outside the compound. You go and see them outside. They can't enter this compound. So landlord.
Don't worry, just they play.
Rule number 2. I will make a timetable for the sweeping of this compound. I will make it tomorrow, today, so that tomorrow we will all start the sweeping of this compound. We'll be doing sanitation every once day in a month in this compound. Everybody will come outside. We will clean this place.
Not making sense, bro.
Yeah? What did you just say now?
I said now making sense. Go on, sir.
Thank you, Pablo.
I'm a goodie, not Pablo.
Rule number 3. No smoking in this compound.
Now, wow.
Chuku. This one landlord talking for you.
This man is wicked, eh?
If you want to smoke, go to your father's house and smoke.
They say you don't know what you have until you lose it. I was saying our old landlord was wicked until I met this Pharaoh's elder brother.
Rule number 4. I'll be pumping water twice in this compound in a week.
Chineke me.
If you like, waste it. It is only 2 times in a week. Because I know how much I bought this property. I will not be wasting money.
But sir, don't you think 2 times in a week will not be enough?
You are right. It's people like you I like in this compound.
Thank you, sir.
Blinking point it for the growth of this compound. In fact, give me your account number, Kangozege. I like that point.
213-789-4263. UBA Bank, sir.
Okay.
Wow. Thank you, sir.
Say na eyes they pay me and they waiting me this.
Musa, if I don't make the next point, let me naked and bath. Now clothes then they use bath with people. If na clothes, not be clothes they use bath. You go put clothes to bath. Look at someone that is teaching someone how to bath. You that smell onion all the time.
And then how much did you receive?
Sir, 150K, sir. Mado.
Yes, I have returned your length.
Jesus.
Chooks, you know go make your point again? Well, they go send you come up for the house.
Pack all your things and get out of this compound right now.
But sir, I paid 200K.
Yes. You've used 2 days already now.
But
Aranabagi, are you mad? I told you not to interrupt me again. Who is the owner of that dog that is barking at the backyard? You are the lapper, right?
I'm a rapper, not a lapper, sir.
You like it to collect it too much, right? You think we are rapping here?
The dog is for him.
And who gave you permission to, in fact, go and collect your dog and everything that you have in this compound and leave this house immediately?
Sir, you have to pay me my balance first, too. No grief for anybody this year.
Or you will chase me with dog?
Yes, sir. Jesus. See mine though. 50K for 2 nights. Even in 5-star hotels, they are not like that. Sir, you give my money.
Go and pack. Ewu, nonsense ingredient.
Hallelujah.
And the rest
The
of
dog they come. No, sir. Now what for you?
Blood of Jesus, I'll not die.
Ogo Landlord did not play the play. See speed. Spider-Man. Oga Landlord, sorry. Now play at the play.
Hello.
I'm sorry.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Sorry, landlord.
Don't lie this rubbish again.
Oh, Jesus, God is coming.
I hope you enjoy that Vomit video. Please subscribe. Thank you. We love you. Bye.